All right, how's everybody going? Welcome to Mike Dub 27 Trader, and let's see what we got going on for this week. Now, when it comes to Lucid news, it's kind of getting a little dip again back at 249, but that doesn't mean anything because it is the off time. But let's go ahead and take a look at any recent news. If we come down here, we see 10 hours ago, every Lucid Group investor should keep an eye on these three numbers. So let's see what those numbers are. It says Lucid Group is expected to have a terrific year when it comes to sales growth. Analysts expect revenue to nearly double in 2025, and with several new mass market models on the way, we could see the growth trajectory persist for years to come. It would be a critical track. It would be critical to track Lucid's actual revenue, but that's not the only number that I'm keeping an eye on. And here goes where it talks about these three metrics being critical to Lucid's future. It says due to the recent introduction of the Gravity SUV platform, as well as the future launch of more affordable electric vehicles, Lucid is experiencing a phase of heavy top line growth. That's great news for investors. But as a company yet to reach profitability, this growth comes at a cost. Lucid's cash balance is far below that of peers like Tesla and Rivian. Its gross margins, meanwhile, remain deeply negative, meaning that it loses money on every car it sells. And we already talked about this, the fact that they're bleeding money every time they sell a car. Its total number of shares outstanding has also ticked up in recent quarters, suggesting that the company is turning to dilution in order to remain solvent. And then you have the numbers right there. Rivian Automotive, talking about 5.29 billion, basically. Lucid Group 1.6 billion, and then Tesla 16.14 billion. So you see right there that Lucid pretty much is dragging behind everything. But those are the three numbers you want to look at. All right. So it's almost like you got your little your list of points that you want to try to hit. So right now they're at 1.6 billion. They need to be trying to get to that 5.2 billion. And they need to take some lessons from how um, Rivian is going about it, to be honest. Rivian being a company that started around the same time as Lucid, neither one of them are as big as Tesla. You know, they need to take some tips from them and see why is it that Rivian is able to make money selling vehicles and Lucid isn't. Now, here's some good news, I guess, for Lucid people, and that's Lucid's new IO that they have in their vehicles. Let's go to that. Let's go to Lucid Motors. Let's go to Discover. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Ownership, board of directors, leadership, investor. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and just pull it up. All right. We got Lucid. There it is, the UX 3.0. Let's take a look at this.
our immersive experience. Every interaction is thoughtfully considered to meet your needs when and where you need them most, enhancing comfort, confidence, and connectivity without compromise. Lucid vehicles put sustainability in motion. A suite of energy features maximize your range and efficiency while helping you find charging stations no matter how far you roam. Advanced navigation and driving assistance work seamlessly as a trusted co pilot that prioritizes safety and peace of mind. To stay focused on the road ahead, features like our augmented reality heads up display project real time information right where you need it, keeping you more connected without distraction. So much of life happens inside your vehicle, and Lucid transforms these moments into opportunities to elevate your everyday, whether taking important meetings or taking a break with loved ones. Shift into park, and your vehicle becomes the ultimate destination for work, play, or relaxation. Step into Sanctuary, a breakthrough immersive media experience that transports you to a world all your own. Dynamic ambient lighting, climate controls, massage seats, and surreal Sound Pro spatial audio create a symphony of sensations for the entire cabin, uniquely inspired by the content you choose to rejuvenate mind and body. Safety is our number one priority. Our advanced monitoring system, Halo Secure, keeps watch over both the interior and exterior of the vehicle to help safeguard all your precious cargo. Ergonomically placed touchscreens provide access to everything you need, and we believe that the features you value most should be even more effortlessly available. Physical and gesture based controls are intuitively positioned for quick access to key functions, including the ability to swipe away notifications without ever taking your eyes off the road. Personalize your experience even further by letting Hey Lucid, our AI powered voice assistant, become your go to companion on every journey. With over the air updates, our technology platform evolves continuously, ensuring your vehicle stays ahead of the curve. Effortlessly download the latest features and software, all from the comfort of your home. Technology shouldn't feel overwhelming, which is why Lucid UX 3.0 is thoughtfully designed to create a more personal, intuitive, and harmonious relationship between car and driver. We compromise nothing, empowering you to go everywhere and beyond.
All right, so we can see there that they're working on some things, and I think they need to go really hard with that new UX software technology that they're using, and that may be an opportunity for them to be able to actually make some gains here. That may be something that they could even use to maybe up the price. I always wonder how come these companies don't just make the vehicle the price they need to be able to make money from it, and then market it according to that. So let's say, for instance, you have to price this like a Porsche 929, Porsche 911, I mean, to be able to make money. Market it as that, the same way you would market a Porsche 911. Call it a sports vehicle or something like that, and then sell it as that. Last time I checked, Porsche is making money. But that's just one of those things. Let me see. Can you even trade Porsche? Yep. Let's go ahead and see how much Porsche is going for. Porsche is going for $4.12. So let's look at their. Oh, they Porsche has a dividend yield. I did not know that. I'm gonna have to look at this. Porsche has a dividend yield. Price to earnings ratio 1.96. Yeah, that ain't good. But it's better than Lucid, and it is worth more than Lucid. But that is something. You would think that Porsche would be worth. This can't be real Porsche. It says Porsche, Porsche. Porsche Automobile Holdings SC. Okay, this is like the holdings. It's got to be something in this. Then it's talking about Porsche only has um, 48 employees. And Porsche has been around way longer than 2007. Let's see. Volkswagen, Ford, Intel. But I can't find anything else other than this. Let me spell it all the way out. CHE. No, nothing comes out. SCH. Yeah. Maybe that's it. Maybe this is the only way you can invest in Porsche. I have to see how Porsche is doing. You're talking about 407 right there, 411. What's the bottom? 374, and the top's 411. What's it been doing this month? What? It started high, started going low, and now it's going back high. That's right up my alley. Let's go ahead and add this to the club. We're gonna go ahead and put this one in. I'll put it in my small caps. There we go. And then let's go ahead and set this. Let's do 380. Seeing how it likes to go down to 374 or something like that and go back up. Maybe we can catch it when it's coming back up. So that's 380. We'll go ahead and set that right there. All right, so let's welcome Porsche to the club. Other than that, I got a couple. I'm gonna be working with a lot of the same stuff I've been dealing with all day, such as BTCM, JEPQ, and CMBT. I already have videos about these. They're pretty much doing what they're supposed to do. You can tell by that growth, 4%, 0.97%, and 3.14%. So yeah, we out here. Everybody keep trading, and hopefully everybody has a good week. This is Mike Dub, 27 Day Trader, and I'm out. Deuces.